Stay informed. Monitor local news and weather reports for updates on volcanic activity. Create an emergency plan. Develop a family emergency plan, including prepare an emergency kit. Assemble a kit with essential items such as food, water, first aid supplies, and a battery-powered radio.
Close the windows and doors to minimize exposure to ash and gases. Wear a mask or respirator to filter out ash and evacuate immediately. If ordered to evacuate, do so promptly and follow the recommended Avoid areas near the volcano. Stay away from the volcano and surrounding areas. Stay informed. Monitor local news and emergency alerts for updates on the volcano. Stay indoors and away from volcanic ashfall areas as much as possible. Use a mask or a damp cloth and eye protection when cleaning up. Moisten the ash with a sprinkle before cleaning. Keep animals indoors where possible. Wash away ash on their paws or skin to keep them from ingesting the ash and provide clean drinking water. Avoid driving in heavy ashfall as it stirs up ash that can clog engine and cause serious abrasion damage to your car.